I'm Virginia McGathey here on the floor at the CME Group reporting on the grain market today. Soybeans were down. The easing in the weather concerns in Argentina really started to press this market to a 2-week low. Plus, we're looking at if there is really any crop damage in Argentina, it's going to be offset by the increase in Brazil because things are going well there. What happened was the market was a little bit lower early and not really moving. And then once the stock market slipped down about 450 points rather quickly, it just seems the sentiment across all trading markets started to go to the sell side, and soybeans was dropping about almost 7 or 8 cents, taking all the grains with them, including corn. Corn was also lower. That same rain in Argentina is pressuring the futures, and it sure looks like that the strong U.S. dollar also is weighing on the market. However, export sales have been good, but we still have a lot of product to eat through, so it's going to take a little bit more than that to get this market up, even though overall the sentiment is kind of sideways right now. We're really trying to find a reason to buy these grains, and everyone just has their fingers crossed. There has been some funds stepping in trying to buy grains across the board in futures and options, just looking at the market that we've been depressed for quite a while, that this could be a good shot to take. But right now it's not really supporting the market. Wheat was also falling. That snowfall in the Midwest is kind of taking the market down a little bit further. All that profit taking from the worries about the drought in the southern and western plains is really starting to, be mitigated somewhat, and that's why the market's coming down a little bit. And then we're kind of like focusing on the large global supply when this kind of thing happens. And so we know that wheat is plentiful around the world, and it's going to take an awful lot to get through all those supplies until we can get to a market. But overall, we did have a pretty volatile market in wheat, and even though that we are off the mark today, that's not to say that it's completely done with. I know that there is a big short position right now, and if there is any real damage to that wheat market, we could see a real scramble of short covering, and that could be just what the doctor ordered for all the commodities as a whole. So that's all from the floor at the CME Group here in Chicago. I'm Virginia McGathey.